Megan with WTI, and this right here is my current craft project that's in progress, and it's all coming together thanks to this craft burlap from AK Trading. I am really happy with the generously sized piece of burlap that came. For the large piece that I received, it was really affordable, and I expect to be able to make maybe 9 or 10 projects just like this one with this piece of burlap. This is called a traditional hooked rug wall hanging. It's something that my grandmother and her contemporaries would have done out of necessity to have something to put on the floor, but over the years it's kind of evolved into a craft project that people like to hang on their walls. I have used recycled burlap in the past for these projects, and it can be a little bit challenging because the burlap may not be the strongest or it might be worn out, but this burlap from AK Trading is so strong and it does not have any worn out spots. This is really important for my project since I do use a metal hooking tool, so the burlap has to be strong enough to be able to withstand a little bit of tugging and pulling. Because this project is a surprise gift for my friend who loves sunsets, I really wanted the burlap to be excellent quality, and this burlap from AK Trading definitely fits the bill. I can't wait to finish this project and many more using this burlap from AK Trading. But that's just my point of view.